Do you think these are abandoned buildings? Whew, super wet. Oh boy. Why are you losing water? Oh boy. Like a shower. Yeah? Stay there, you bring your shampoo. Oh, our friend. Look. What is here? I don't know the name, and I can't see anything with these glasses. That's one of the reasons I don't like glasses. I look good, I like myself with glasses, that's why I don't use usually contact lenses. But when it rains, oh boy, or when it's too hot, and you go outside, or too cold, you know, they get like, how do you say, steam, and you can't see anything, you need to wait. Alright, I guess it's stopping a bit, I guess, but I'm not sure. Alright, I have to clean the lens, guys, I forgot. I hope really you can see me and you can hear it, especially because I think the water went a bit inside the mic, but the sun is out. It was just a summer thunderstorm, let's say. Oh boy, a drop went inside my hood. Oof, I don't know if it's more wet the lens or my glasses, guys. I'm looking for another coffee shop, guys. That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna eat, we're gonna relax, we're gonna drink coffees. Why, you say, if I drank coffee like 1 hour ago? Well, let's say I have a passion for coffee, and here they make it very good. They have a passion to create new mix, blend. So yeah, you remember how full was this road on a Saturday night? If you don't remember, you didn't watch the previous episodes, guys. Shame on you. You gotta watch it. They are really good and nice. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Come on. You know where I would like to go? I would like to go in that coffee Rough, I think it's called, takeaway. Yeah, I think it's called Rough. These Italian restaurants are always full, guys, because people love Italian food. Correct me if I'm wrong. And they have done, I think, a good marketing from Italy, because there are so many different cuisines in the world, and all of them, 90% are fantastic from my own perspective. Depends, of course, from your taste. What is your favorite cuisine, by the way? I can tell you mine. Well, of course, Italian, but doesn't count. Then there is Mexican food, because it's spicy. They put something here. What is this? A horse, yeah. You can jump above and play a bit. So I would say Mexican, because it's spicy. I love spicy food. What else? Middle Eastern, guys, Lebanese, like, I love it. I love it. Probably more than Mexican. Sorry, Mexican friends. I love it. Hummus, papa ganoush, all these are really, really tasty for me. But yeah, Lviv croissants. Very good croissants. Probably not my favorite, tell you the truth, but really, really good. Go and try it, guys. I know what you're wondering. If I can see good without glasses. Well, believe it or not, I do. More or less, because I can see far, but I can see close, and I'm missing like -1 and -1.25 on the other one, so it's not so much for those of you who don't know. And yeah, I can see the colors at least far. No, really, I wonder how people do with the higher dioptry, I think it's called, -5, -6. It's already like this for me, is hard, you know. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to. Wow, a lot of cars here. I'm trying to not sleep here, because it's really, really, really slippery. Oh, the sun came out now, you see it? And I feel hot. Guys, you see the coins that I meant? They look like gold, golden coins. We don't have this for our collection, so yeah, we're gonna add this to the collection. Fell some drops. Oh, by the way, the drops here dried. I guess, guys, you can see me better now. Look at us, full of churches here, full of churches. Looks like a Catholic church to me, guys. Reminds me of Italy. We didn't come here, did we? 600 years? I think it's years, this one. Can be from the foundation of the city, 1400. That's when it was founded. Yeah, see? Wow, super hot now. You know, when it rains and then stops, and then the sun comes out, it's like the humidity is super high and you feel more the hot. Okay, let's go this way. Let's see what we have. I think we didn't come here. Oh, shall we take this bus? How about that? It's closed. The doors are closed, I think. And it's empty. No, we can't take it. Oh, it's Smorodina. Who are you? Nails, probably? Like cosmetic for nails. What do you think if we go live tonight? How about that? I think it will be very nice to go live. Last time was a test. I used the DJI Mic 2 and you couldn't hear me. I don't know why it happens, but the sound was crackled. I bought it on purpose actually for lives, etc. I'm thinking to go in another coffee shop, guys. What do you think? To grab the last coffee of the day. Let's do it. Fantastic directions. Let me guess, we need to go back. I knew it. Towards the center, guys. Let's go. And the problem is that I'm sweating with this jacket now. Where we have to go, guys? And gentle reminder that after the rain there is always the sun, guys. So never give up. Look at this sun, blinding us. I guess I attract drills, guys, drilling, because it was in Ivano-Frankivsk, in the apartment down, they were building, and now here. Do you remember? Do you know the song? Just came to my mind. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I feel just tired. And the coffee, so much caffeine, really made me, how can I say, excited. I was wondering why I don't see good, because I don't have the glasses, right? But I have a lot of sweat, apparently. Guys, I think the road is closed. It's exactly in that road that they are building, guys. Oh man, oh boy, I don't know where to walk. My white shoes says thank you, guys, with all this dust. Is it open? Open? No, thank you. Cappuccino? With the skinny milk you have? Okay, no, doesn't matter. Yeah. No, no, thank you. Look, guys, how nice. Super, super nice. Ah, you can sit here. It's like, how you say in English this? Dondolo in Italian. No, dondolo? Altalena, sorry. It's in Italian. Look at this graceful coffee and bakery. Nice. I took the jacket, I feel so free now, guys. And this is pretty thick. I didn't think it would be so hot. Look how nice this coffee shop. I didn't find another coffee shop yet here in Ukraine, actually. You know, Ukraine. Told you to have this culture of coffee shops. Fantastic. Alright, amici miei, it came the cappuccino. This time I wanted to change. I think she put some caramel. Wow, smells good. Smells really good. Guys, if you want a good coffee, cappuccino, coffee, espresso, americano, come to Ukraine. They make it very good. Look, they have always 99% of the time the QR code to pay, so you don't have to go to the POS. She doesn't come with the POS. You just scan the code and pay. It's really, really cool. Really good. Fantastic. Well done. I wonder who had the amazing idea to invent and do the first cappuccino, guys. Because I love cappuccino. Fantastic. Who had the idea to make the foam, put on top of milk and coffee, and wow. Alright, let's get dressed, let's go back to the hotel, let's rest a bit, and then we might go out tonight for a live. I'm not sure if there will be a lot of people, but yeah, it will be nice, I think, to see it. Alright, amici miei, finished. Let's bring this here and let's pay. Alright, that's it. Thank you. How much is it? I paid? I don't remember. I forgot. Okay, guys, we already paid. I forgot. I think it's because I'm tired. I didn't even remember that we paid already. We were paying twice. Do you think the taxi can come here? I don't feel to walk anymore. Or actually, let's go in a bit more central part. Alright, let's just stay here and wait for the Bolt now. Oh, and vamos. Brown. So I guess we recognize it because it's brown. It doesn't look brown to me though. Okay. Hello. Super hot, guys, here. And we're going straight away to the hotel now. Super fast. So we're gonna rest a bit. Then I told you we might go out tonight to do a live. This wouldn't be possible if we didn't take the SIM card. Because without SIM card, how would you do the live around? Only with the phone, with hotspot, I can do this. And even booking the Bolt, the taxi, you know, it takes internet.